Thank you for watching this video about your new Spectrum Pro automatic dispenser. You could have a black or white model, they are the same. We're going to discuss in this how to open the dispenser, how to change the chemicals, change the dispensing amount, how to change the batteries, and how to remove it from the wall. In order to open the dispenser, most of the time they're going to have a little key underneath right here. When you push up on that, this comes down. Now if you're in a spot where you do not want easy access, they will have a plunger key that will go in right here or here. The key could be on either side, and you push up, and that's basically the lock of this dispenser. So using this would be a lock dispenser. Using the always installed one is an open dispenser. So these dispensers can be used for either soap or sanitizer. As you can see right now, it has a sanitizer in it. And when you're changing them out, you just pull out. And when you go in with your new one, the label's going to face forward, and it's going to go right in these little grooves. Push in and close. It's going to take one or two within a new one for it to start dispensing the product. If you want to change the amount of product that is dispensed per cycle, right here has a little orange tab that you can slide left and right. The longer the line, the more you're going to get dispensed. Now, once you first change it, it's going to take one cycle before it actually starts producing either more or less based off of your choice. When changing the batteries, there's no need to take the dispenser off the wall. You press the button at the top, this pops open. It takes 4 D batteries. Batteries are going to go in according to plus minus, and you can tell how that goes. Once you put your new batteries in, press and install your dispenser product again. If there's ever a reason you have to remove the dispenser because it's malfunctioned or broken, right in the back, you will press this little tab in and slide up. And that's the wall plate. This comes off. That wall plate is pretty much universal for most Medline dispensers. So you can leave this up and change this to a new dispenser or a completely different Medline dispenser. When you go to put it back on, you want to make sure that this tab right here is out some and not really pushed in, because that is what holds it in. When installing, take the dispenser, go up a little, push down, and it locks. Now that dispenser will not come off the wall. If you have any additional questions, please comment on this video and I will do my best to answer. Or you can contact your local Medline rep with questions or about ordering product or dispensers. Thank you again for watching this video.